think they know me, cause all they peep is the glory.
They do,
but they don't know how it feels, searching day to day, struggling for the next meal. People think they know me,
no they don't,
but they don't know the whole story. Take a glimpse and realize what you think is the real turns out to be the lie.
Sitting back thinking how time fly by. Summertime I was out there getting on my grind. Now they mad cause they see me shining. No grief around it. Now I'm wondering why they trying to push my line. Now I'm greedy with the stakes. If you need them, here's a taste. There's nothing to replace. Discriminating face. Plus I'm steady with the haste. Feelings higher by, I need a race. While I'm puffing on the kush, I'm asking myself why do they hate to relate. Man, these dudes must be fake. Ain't shit the same. How I'm demonstrating, how I'm regulating. These dudes really pussy. That niggas can't push me. My team always here. We ain't never scared. Take time to remind that, dog, we always here.
People think they know me, cause all they peep is the glory. But they don't know how it feels, searching day to day, struggling for the next meal. People think they know me, but don't know the whole story.
Nah.
Take a glimpse and realize what you
Take a look
think
at my
is
life.
the real turns out to be the lie.
Take a look at my life, right here, right now. You know you gotta look at me, this is my lifestyle. I came through, yeah, you know I gotta rep wild. I'm a hustler, got the scales like reptiles. I get it poppin', yo, you know I had to whip it up. I had to go through, pitch out, cook it up. M.O.B. Brotherhood, you should look it up. Look us up. When I come up on the scene, they looking shook as fuck. Scared, yeah. Pop a shot if you act hard. Bang, bang. Have these dudes straight running like track stars. Y'all niggas is whack. Yeah, we spittin' crack easy. Yeah, I got shorty. I hit it from the back. Come in. As simple as that. I be kicking facts. Y'all niggas is fake. I'm half baked, like Dave Chappelle. Yeah, you might as well go through, cause I got a couple things to sell early. Got some records, trying to get a record deal. But you know the recognition when I keep it real. So therefore, this is the realest. Yeah, you know it's brotherhood right here, and I killed the Clover.
People think they know me, cause all they peep is the glory. But they don't know how it feels, searching day to day, struggling for the next meal. People think they know me, but don't know the whole story. Take a glimpse and realize what you think is the real turns out to be the lie. You know what I mean? Maybe you stop looking at other sites and look at where it's all at. Gossiping and all that. You'll get the full story, you know. Yo. Through the lens of the public, all they peep is the duckers, but don't know how life's obstacles almost made me say fuck it. Black and poor had me wildin' on some young dumb shit. Got locked couple times, praying to God for some luck. Quick looking at the youth, man, they better than I. No alternative once they can't ball like AI. Some nights I just look up, asking God why. Is there a heaven or hell? Or is it just lies? No time to dwell on that. So I focus on faith. People focusing on skin color when we all the same race. But when we got the same court date, there's a different case. One got a good lawyer, the other sent from the state. Where's your place? People think they know me, cause all they peep is the glory. But they don't know how it feels, searching day to day, struggling for the next meal.